Chicky, let's learn our A, B, C's.
A is for adventure, waiting to begin. B is for brave hearts, beating from within. C is for curious, discovering what's new. D is for dreams that are waiting to come true. Letters make the words, words make the stories we tell. From A to Z, a world to see, learning ABCs is swell. E is for exciting, journeys near and far. F is for friends who love you as you are. G is for growing, stronger every day. H is for happy times along the way. I is for imagine, worlds of make-believe. J is for joy, that's easy to receive. K is for knowledge, filling up your mind. L is for love, the very sweetest kind. Letters make the words, words make the stories we tell. From A to Z, a world to see, learning ABCs is swell. M is for magic, hiding in plain sight. N is for nighttime stars that shine so bright. O is for open hearts that welcome all. P is for playful times, having a ball. Q is for questions, waiting to be asked. R is for rivers, flowing swift and fast. S is for sunshine, warming up the day. T is for treasures, found along the way. Our letters make the words, words make the stories we tell. From A to Z, a world to see, learning ABCs is swell. U is for understanding, growing deep. V is for voices, singing sweet and sweet. W is for wonders, waiting to explore. X marks the spot where adventure waits in store. Y is for you, the hero of this song. Z is for zeal that keeps you going strong. From A to Z, we've sung the alphabet. The greatest journey hasn't happened